channel Art Window. The tradition of wearing masks started in the 13th century. I mean the Carnival Mask. Yes, you heard it right. The Carnival Mask can be dated back, used by the Greek stage actors. Now you will ponder, why am I giving this piece of information? Because today we will look upon how to make the Venetian Carnival Mask using the easiest method and the available resources at home. It can be used for a fun-filled family gathering, small parties, and of course, at the most important location in parties, the photo booth. We all love to snap lots and lots of pictures over there. Why not try and make a beautiful carnival mask to brighten up the celebration? So let's begin. The materials I've used are a green cutting mat, a cartridge paper, one card paper, a cutter, a steel scale, pencil and eraser, few small wooden sticks, pearl colors, 3D outliners, few stickers, a scissor, colorful feathers, a Fevicol, some seashells, and a sticking tape. First, I have taken the A3 size cartridge sheet, folded it into half, and we need to paste it using Fevicol. Both the sides on one another. After a wait of 10 minutes, we'll get a thick sheet, more thick than the usual cartridge paper. I have divided it using a line, and I'll be painting one part using rose paint and the other one using turquoise blue. You can take any color of your choice. Both these are Fevicol pearl colors. Now let's make the cutout for a Venetian mask. The average size of a mask is 9 by 20 centimeters. I will mark it accordingly on the chart paper. Now use the cutter for the cutting work. Now we have to start with the cutout. Here is an example. I will fold these pink chart papers exactly half. The other one too. You can draw any shape of your choice. Now we need to trace our cutouts on the cartridge sheet which we painted turquoise blue and pink. Now we are almost halfway through our process. Let's start with the cutting work as we have already traced our mask. Now let's go ahead with the decoration. First I will start with the glitter work. You to keep these cutouts because when we paste the feathers over here, we need these to support the feathers. I have used these following decoratives, but you can use any other decorative materials of your choice. Now we need to paste the feathers at the corner on the right hand. Now is the time to use this small cutout to paste it over the feathers. Till our mask dries, let's wrap the wooden sticks with the green tape. Now let's make our mask handy by using the wooden stick and the start papers to make it as a holder for the mask. I will use the glue to stick it behind. So here is a carnival mask ready for use. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, goodbye.